Narration: Today we're exploring connected ayat from Surah Fussilat and these key words: تنزيل فصلت يعلمون بشيرا ونذيرا فأعرض أكثرهم يسمعون.
حميم تنزيل من الرحمن الرحيم كتاب فصلت آياته قرآنا عربيا لقوم يعلمون بشيرا ونذيرا فأعرض أكثرهم فهم لا يسمعون.
Ha! Meme! This is a revelation from the entirely merciful, the especially merciful, a book whose verses have been detailed, an Arabic Quran for a people who know, as a giver of good tidings and a warner, but most of them turn away, so they do not hear. First word, Tanzilun means revelation or sending down. Here's a daily life example using Tanzilun. هذا تنزيل جديد لتطبيق. This is a new download for the app. هذا means this. Tanzilun means a download. Jadidun means new. Li means for. التطبيق means the app. Second word, Fussilat means was detailed or was explained in detail. Here's a daily life example using Fussilat. Fussilat ash-shurutu fi al-aqdi. The terms were detailed in the contract. Fussilat means were detailed. Ash-shurutu means the terms, song, conditions. Fi means in. Al-aqdi means the contract. Next word, ya'lamuna means they know. Here's a daily life example using ya'lamun. في الفريق يعلمون ما يفعلون. In the team, they know what they're doing. في means in. الفريق means the team. يعلمون means they know. ما means what. يفعلون means they do. Next word. Bashiran means bringing good news or a bearer of good tidings. Here's a daily life example using Bashira. جاءتني الرسالة بشيرا بخبر سعيد. The message came to me with happy news. Ja'atni means came to me. Ar-risalatu means the message. Bashiran means bringing good news. Bi means with. Khabarin means news. Sa'idin means happy. Next word, wanadhiran means and a warner, someone who warns. Here's a daily life example using wanadhiran. أرسلت له تذكيرا ونذيرا أخيرا قبل الموعد. I sent him a reminder and a final warning before the deadline. Arsaltu means I sent, lahu means to him, tadhkiran means a reminder, wa means and, nadhiran means a warning, akhiran means final, qabla means before, al-maw'idi means the deadline. Next word, fa'arada means then he turned away or he ignored. Here's a daily life example using fa'arada. Sa'altuhu ani al-mawdu'i fa'arada. I asked him about the topic, but he avoided it. Sa'altuhu means I asked him, ani means about, al-mawdu'i means the topic. Fa'arada means but he turned away, avoided. Next word, aktharuhum means most of them. Here's a daily life example using aktharuhum. Aktharuhum wasalu mubakkiran. Most of them arrived early. Aktharuhum means most of them. Wasalu means they arrived. Mubakkiran means early. Last word, yasma'oon means they hear or they listen. Here's a daily life example using yasma'oon. على الهاتف لا يسمعون جيدا بسبب الضجيج. On the phone, they can't hear well because of the noise. على means on, al-hatifi means the phone, la means not, يسمعون means they hear, جيدا means well, بسبب means because of, الضجيج means the noise. Try using these words in your own sentences today.